Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Deepseek using your Google account. Let's dive right in. First, open the Deepseek app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it, go ahead and grab it from the App Store. Once you're inside the app, you should see a login or sign in button on the main screen. Tap on Sign in with Google. Tap on Agree. Tap on Continue. Now, enter your Google email and password. Tap on your account and tap on Continue. Once you are signed in, you'll be able to start using Deepseek with all your Google connected features. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.